Houston, we do not have a problem. The Cisco Business Dashboard is a lot like our version of Mission Control. It has plenty of tools to help us monitor and manage our Cisco Business Network. In this edition of Tech Talks, we'll show how to back up and restore an existing Cisco network through the Cisco Business Dashboard. Next. The Cisco Business Dashboard can automatically discover our network and allow us to configure and monitor all supported Cisco business devices. This includes switches, routers, and wireless access points. We can back up the configuration and other information used by Cisco Business Dashboard for disaster recovery, or simply allow a quick migration to a new host. Backups are encrypted with a password to safeguard confidential data. To configure the backup, we first need to log into the Cisco Business Dashboard. Here, we'll go to the System menu and select Backup. It's important to note that during the backup process, system services will stop and no other user will be able to access the system. It's recommended to plan backups during off-business hours. We first need to enter a password to protect our backup. Next, we'll click the Backup and Download button. Once that's finished, we'll choose Save File and click OK. Our file is now downloading to our system. Once it's fully downloaded, we can simply open up our folder and see the backup file. Next, we'll do something similar to restore a configuration file. We'll head over to the System menu and select Restore. Just like the backup, system services will stop during the restore process. Next, we'll enter in our password and click Upload and Restore. On this page, we can drop our file or select it from the file system. In this case, we'll open up our downloads and select the backup we just created. Once that's up, we'll click Restore. Based on the size of the file, the restore process may take some time. We can click the details to check its progress. Good news, we have now completed the process. That wasn't too bad, right? That's how to use the Cisco Business Dashboard to back up and restore an existing Cisco network. Thanks for watching this edition of Tech Talks. We'll see you next time.